Another thing that you can create a style of is an effect. So in here you can see that we are able to kind of use the color fills for the stroke. But when it comes to the effects tab, if you decide to create some kind of an effect like this, maybe it's, maybe it's like a shadow like this, and then another shadow that's not going to have some kind of blur, or no, it's going to have the blur, but it's not going to have the spacing like this, and it's going to be a little bit harsher. You can now create an effect style in here as well and call it shadow 1 or something, or like shadow 100. And then when you come in here, basically when you have nothing selected, we have text styles, color styles, and effect styles. Under effect styles, you're going to have all of those as well. And you can come in here and change all of the properties, remove or add additional things to this style too. So again, when you're building an app and you want consistency, it's best to create all of those styles that are going to be reusable. If your app is playing around with dimensions, lights, and shadows, you might use that to create a style and kind of keep it across all of your different elements in your UI. And another thing, it doesn't have to be a shadow. It can be any other effect. It can be a layer blur, background blur, or inner shadow. All of those things you can use to create effect styles. Now, to close off the entire lesson when it comes to an entire module when it comes to styles, you can remove or delete styles by going in here and selecting which ones you want to delete. So I'm holding shift and I'm selecting more than one. And besides that, if you notice, you can also create additional folders, so you can also nest styles within styles. So maybe we can call this just like ABC for testing purposes, and you can see it's working well. If you actually want to create a style like that, so I'm just gonna enter something in here and it's gonna be a different style, and I want to create a new one. If you immediately want to create folders when you're creating that kind of a style, you just go like parent/child/name. Now in here you're going to see that all of those are now expanded and are folders. So yeah, color styles, effect styles, text styles, some tips on naming and organizing your styles, and also the ability to delete and detach styles. All of those things I think we covered. Again, just go in here, you can detach it, and in that one instance of where you use that style, you can change this to something else. Ideally, you're going to save it as a different variation of a style too. When you make a change to the style, it's going to be applied everywhere, and I think that we covered all of the things that you need to know about those main building blocks of our UI design, and those are styles.